Hey everyone, in this video we are going to test 4 AI models from 3 publishers. First we have the OpenAI's O3 mini model, and next we have Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 Max, and next we are having DeepSeek's V3 as well as R1 model. So I am going to give the same prompt for all of these and test the response. So let's get started. So first let's start with a math problem. This is going to be the problem that I'm going to give. So let me just copy this and ask each of the models the answer. So the answer for this math problem is B, which is -3, and Qwen 2.5 Max was the first to give the answer -3, followed by DeepSeek's V3 model, which gave -3, and DeepSeek's R1 model has also given the answer -3. It actually thought for such a long time. But you know what? ChatGPT's O3 mini model has given the wrong answer for it. After thinking a while, it has literally said there is no real number for A. So that's fine. Let's go with another prompt. So now I'm going to give like these HTML, CSS and coding prompts for all these models. First, let's start with a simple one. In this code, I'm just going to ask it to create a animation by using the most beautiful font and give JavaScript, HTML and CSS code for this. So I'll just go with this prompt now. So we have got the response over here. Surprisingly, O3 mini was the first to give the response, and it just thought for 5 seconds, whereas DeepSeek's R1 model literally thought for half a minute. It nearly took 36 seconds of thinking to give the answer. So let's see what kind of animation it has generated. So let me just go here and we'll be having this canvas thing and play it. Yeah, this time I can see the text, but these extra things are coming. These are literally from here, from this one below is the revised version. That's also coming in the output, but this is the overall output. Okay, I guess this is some like UI issue, but this is the response that we get. This is the animation that we are able to get from the O3 mini model. So let's see what Qwen has done for us. So we can just click on this artifacts. Okay, it has animations if I hover also. That's not bad. That's not bad, to be honest. We're having this shooting star like thing in the background, and there's a laggy hover effect. That's not bad. I mean, this one was too plain from the O3 mini, but this is kind of better than that. So let's see what DeepSeek's V3 has given. So run HTML. Okay, Qwen was better than this, and DeepSeek's R1 and R1 was given a lot of code. Run. Okay, that's the best. Seriously, like, I mean, even though it doesn't look like extraordinary, I really like the back animations and the floating effect. And what is this? This is like a trail, like the shooting star trail. Like, I think this is the best. I would rate R1 number 1, Qwen to be number 2. So that's for the first prompt in code. So let's go for this prompt. Okay, so this is going to be a single HTML file that allows a bouncing ball inside a spinning rectangle, and whenever the rectangle spins, the ball inside the rectangle should move based upon the spin movement. So it should be affected by gravity and friction. So it's basically a rectangle spinning with a ball inside it. So let's just give this prompt. We have got the response from ChatGPT's O3 mini, and this time also it was quite fast, just 12 seconds, and it has given us the response. And DeepSeek's R1 was giving the server busy thing, but it has also like thought for a while, like it thought for 30 seconds before giving us the response. So let's see which one does well over here, and just click on preview. Yeah, O3 mini has done a great job over here. So yeah, rectangle is spinning, and it's exactly perfectly on the border, and yeah, the gravity is perfect. Like, look at this, right? It's aligning with the gravity and the movement of how a circle behaves in real life. Yeah, I like the realism in this. Finally, O1 mini has given us like the best thing over here, and it's going to be really difficult for all the other models, you know, to break this one. So let's see what Qwen has given. So this is the response that Qwen 2.5 has given. It has kinda given good, but that's the part. Ball is actually going outside somewhere. That's the only mistake. I don't know why that's happening, that looping movement. But apart from that, yeah, it looks good. Like it has done the job 60%, the 40% it just goes out. Yeah, DeepSeek v3 also fails over here. The ball literally just goes outside. Yeah, it has literally gone outside. The thing we have clearly mentioned in this is that inside a spinning rectangle. Yeah, it shouldn't go outside. Yeah, so kind of failed over here. Okay, I can't even see a ball over here. I don't know why. Every other AI model has failed, has literally done it perfectly, especially the gravity. Like it can't get better than this for this response. So let's go with our final prompt, and in this one we are going to display a rain with lightning effect continuously with just by using JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So let's see what it gives now, and it just thought for 7 seconds and it just gave the answer. So let's see how this looks. Okay, that's good, that's amazing. The rain effect is perfect. Yeah, the lightning is good. That's super realistic because this is just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. At the end of the day, you can't do anything better than this. The rain effect is so good, and the lightning is hyper realistic, I swear. The lightning effect is the best when compared to the rain effect over here. So next one is the Qwen. This is what Qwen has given us, the rain effect, and okay, that's not a lightning effect, that's a lighting effect. I just gave it lightning, right? Or did I give it lighting? Yeah, it's lightning, but I don't see that lightning, that spark thingy. It is just like a white screen. Probably like not bad, but yeah, not the best either. So that's from Qwen 2.5. Let's go with DeepSeek, and yeah, just run this. So the rain effect is good. Okay, yeah, the lightning. So everything just gives this blink effect. It just goes white for a second and goes black. So yeah, this structure, that line, that random line that appears on the screen. So we didn't see that in any of this. It's just blinking. Yeah. Finally, let's go with R1. I guess R1 is also going to give quite similar to the V3. Okay, the rain effect. Okay, the rain is slanting. I don't know why there's like this much gap over here, but yeah, I don't see any lightning right now, but yeah, and it really thought 30 seconds for this. As a conclusion, what I can say is OpenAI is so good at some tasks which neither of the models can perform. Of course, it gave the first math problem as a wrong answer. That's because it just misinterpreted the way I pasted the question. If I had given like a photo or in a much more intended format, it would have obviously given the right answer for that. And apart from that, OpenAI performs equivalent to DeepSeek's R1 model, and in some cases it literally outperforms it. And apart from this, Qwen 2.5 Max, this also performs quite equivalent to DeepSeek R1 and V3 model. So that's my opinion, guys, and do let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.